Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where we bring you the latest, most exciting updates from the world of cars, bikes, and everything in between. Today, we're stepping into the future of luxury travel with something truly extraordinary. Get ready to explore the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome, a vehicle that's not just a motorhome, but a rolling masterpiece designed to redefine how we think about comfort, mobility, and innovation. Mercedes-Benz has always been a pioneer in blending engineering excellence with luxury, and the 2026 Motorhome proves that philosophy once again. This isn't just a motorhome for road trips, it's a luxury suite on wheels, built for those who want the freedom of the open road without compromising on refinement, technology, or class. From the outside, the design screams elegance and futuristic appeal. The aerodynamic bodywork combines sleek lines with bold accents, ensuring that this motorhome doesn't just blend into traffic, but stands out like a moving five-star hotel. The signature Mercedes grille sits proudly at the front, accompanied by ultra-slim LED lighting that enhances both visibility and modern styling. Every curve and surface has been designed with precision, maximizing efficiency while delivering a sense of exclusivity. Step inside, and the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome truly reveals its magic. The interior feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and customizable layouts create a personalized living experience. Imagine waking up to panoramic windows offering breathtaking views of nature, all while relaxing in plush seating finished with premium leather. The living area seamlessly blends comfort and functionality, with modular furniture that transforms easily depending on your needs. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, giving you the freedom to prepare meals on the go just like you would at home. The bathroom features a spa-like design with a rainfall shower, ensuring every journey feels as comfortable as a stay in a luxury resort. And when it's time to rest, the motorhome offers sleeping areas designed with the same comfort as a Mercedes S-Class, providing the ultimate relaxation after a long day on the road. But this isn't just about comfort. Technology takes center stage. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is equipped with a fully digital cockpit, voice control systems, and artificial intelligence that learns your preferences. From climate control to entertainment, everything can be adjusted with a simple command. Connectivity is seamless, with integrated 5G ensuring you're always online whether you're in the city or deep in the countryside. Safety is another area where Mercedes never compromises, and this motorhome comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, autonomous driving capabilities, and real-time monitoring for maximum peace of mind. Under the hood, the powertrain matches its futuristic design. Mercedes offers hybrid and fully electric options, providing not only performance but also eco-conscious travel. Long-range capabilities mean fewer stops and more time to enjoy your journey, while fast charging ensures you're always ready to roll. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. It's about merging luxury with adventure, offering a new way to explore the world without giving up the sophistication you expect from Mercedes. Whether you're planning cross-country journeys or weekend escapes, this motorhome promises to make every mile unforgettable. Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews and updates from the world of cars and innovation.